Hoza. Let me just try to play another pattern. Anyway, let's get some work done, guys. In this specific video, I'm here to drop free and free. So I'm dropping free and free. So these are drum mid patterns. Let me just actually make this a little bit bigger. Okay, cool. So you can see. All right, so we have some drum mid patterns here, free specifically for, I repeat again, specifically for this drum assistant rig that I created. So if you haven't checked my previous video, please do so. The video, it is titled Amapiano Drum Assistant AI. So it is a new drum rig that I have created just to make everything easier when it comes to creating Amapiano drums. And especially nowadays, I've been listening to like a lot of Amapiano music. It's all about simplicity. It's all about simplicity. So if we to go on YouTube, for example, let me just try to play something real quick. Just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So if we play this one by Uncle Wafs, let me skip it. This. So you can hear that it's very, very simple. Nothing complicated going on, guys. So I'm going to have to play one last example and then we'll go back to the tutorial. So for this last example, we're going to play TXC Hebo. Okay, so nothing complicated going on, guys. So yeah, let's just go back to the tutorial. So firstly, I think it would be good if I could just play these drum loops real quick and then we can dive deep into the mid clips. So yep, I'm going to mute here. The blue here is the shaker, so I'm going to play maybe the first loop here. So yep, this is what I'm talking about. It's all about being simple when it comes to Amapiano drums, especially nowadays. You know. Yeah, let me try to play loop number 4. You see, this is very, 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 very simple. Very, very simple steps. So I'm gonna have to skip some because I don't want this tutorial to be very, very long. Okay, guys, so I'm saying the download links are in the description. Half of this is going to be free, and then let's dive deep into the drum rig now. So let's pick a first pattern. So I'm going to play here. You see, this is simple. So that's the first pattern, of which you can dive deep into the pattern. You can make some changes. Let me try to play a different pattern. You see, everything is there. And I can't play all these patterns, so I'm going to have to skip. Hebo. Okay, let me move on. This is what I'm talking about, guys. So for example, if we to pick this pattern, this is what you're going to do here. So we have chorus here, right? You can hear it. This is dry without the chorus. The more we crank chorus, it start to give that kind of uniqueness character, like some Amapiano vibes. I like that. We do have some delays here. You see, this is to make it like a lot is going on, but this is still very, very simple drum pattern. So let's say you don't want this, you want to change maybe all the samples. You could just press randomize here. So hear this. You see, it's now a different pattern. I'm gonna have to play the previous kit. It was like this, and then now, oh, it's now sounding like a new drum loop actually. You see, this is now like a new thing. That's it, guys. So the download links are in the description below, and once you get these, make sure that you stay up to date, guys. I'm going to keep on dropping more drum mid patterns and more loops, guys. I love you guys. See me on the next video.